Understanding the angle of elevation, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept that connects the world of geometry to our everyday lives: the angle of elevation. This term might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll see how it's applied in various real-life scenarios and why it's important to understand it. So, let's dive into the world of angles and elevations together. The angle of elevation refers to the angle above the horizontal line from the observer's eye to some object or point of interest above them. Imagine you're standing and looking up at a bird in the sky. The angle your line of sight makes with the horizontal ground is what we call the angle of elevation. It's always measured upwards from the horizontal, making it a key concept in navigation, architecture, and even sports. To calculate the angle of elevation, you need two key pieces of information: the height of the object you're observing and the horizontal distance between you and that object. With these two pieces, you can use basic trigonometry, specifically the tangent function, to find the angle. The formula looks like this: tan, angle, equals opposite, adjacent, where the opposite is the height of the object, and the adjacent is the distance from the object. The angle of elevation has numerous applications in our daily lives and various fields. For example, pilots use it to understand their approach angle during landing. Architects and engineers apply it in designing buildings and bridges to ensure stability and aesthetic appeal. Photographers and filmmakers use it to get the perfect shot angle, enhancing the visual storytelling of their work. Understanding the angle of elevation can be greatly enhanced by visual aids and practical examples. Here are some tips. Always visualize the scenario using diagrams or models. Practice with real-life examples, like measuring the angle of elevation to a tree or a building using a protractor or an app. Experiment with different angles to see how they affect perception and design. And that's a wrap on the angle of elevation. We hope this video has illuminated this geometric concept and shown how it applies far beyond the classroom. Whether you're navigating through the city, enjoying nature, or just watching an airplane ascend into the sky, remember that angles are everywhere, shaping our perspective of the world. Thank you for joining us, and stay curious. Remember, learning English and mathematics can be fun and engaging, especially when you connect concepts to the real world. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.